Owning a photo booth is hard work, but if you put the right process into play, we can definitely make it easier for you and all of your employees. Hi, my name is Agatha, and I am the owner and operator of Treasure Booth located in Los Angeles, California. Do you sometimes feel like your booking process can be a little bit better, or do you even have a booking process? Are you tired of taking that extra time out of your day to write down all the event information? And you even second guess yourself, did I get the right information? Well, this is a course that's going to organize your photo booth business, and I'm going to teach you how to make an online booking system for free without any subscriptions. If you want to pay, you can pay, but this course is going to show you how to make an online booking system for your photo booth business. So imagine a time where you're at work or at school or doing whatever you want to do on the free time, and you get an alert on your phone and it says you got a new reservation form. Well, that's exactly what I plan to do for you in this course, is to have your customers accountable to fill out their own reservation form at the comfort of their own home. This is going to minimize errors, typos, date complications, and so much more. I'm providing you a step-by-step guide on how to make an online booking form for your website so that you can email, you can text it, you can post it on social media so that it's super easy for your customers to book you right away. So stop wasting your time and make your customers accountable to fill out their own reservation form. Save time and do less. You deserve that. Why pay a monthly fee for an online booking system when I can help you make one? Yep. This is nothing out of your pocket every single month, just like all those competition applications that are out there that are charging you a monthly fee. I get it. You guys just started your business. You guys are maxed out. You guys made this huge investment on a photo booth. Well, guess what? This is a video just for you. Nothing out of your pocket every single month, and it's an online booking system to keep you organized to successfully run your photo booth business. Registration has just started for this course, so sign up today and get this at a discount now. Yes, this course is normally $97, but I assure you we will sell out. So get the discounted price right now, and I'll see you in the course.